Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we are creating this Beetlejuice-inspired makeup look. Now first off, I'm just going in with this dark brown brow pencil by Peaches and Cream, and I'm making my brows slightly thicker, and towards the end I do sort of kind of fluff them up a little bit so they're a little bit more thicker than what my normal eyebrows are. Then I'm just taking this loveee concealer and I'm just priming the eyelids with that. I'm using this instead of my Pale Louise base because I've actually used that so much that I'm just trying to change it up a little bit. Just taking the Droplets of Magic palette by Pale Louise. This is our Halloween palettes, and I'm taking a variety of these purple shades. Now I'm starting off with the deep dark purple shades, and I'm using a mixture of mattes and shimmers because we're basically just creating this kind of oval dark purple eye at the moment, and you can be as messy as you want with this. It does not have to be neat. I do try and be a little bit neat, and then I kind of mess it up a little bit just to make it look even more kind of grungy, because that's kind of effect I was going for. But use any purple eyeshadow that you've got and just create this rounded kind of eye shape. Then I'm just taking, this is Blank Canvas by Pale Louise, and we're just putting this down and we are cutting the crease with this. Now I wanted this to be quite bold because we're just going to put a load of shimmery purple eyeshadows here. Now I was going to do the green like some other people have done, but I just wanted to change it up. But I didn't just want to do like a pure purple smoky eye, so we're changing it up a little bit and we're using some of the shimmers from this palette. Again, they're all kind of purple tones. They've all got different kind of pinky purple hues, so it was just to kind of change it up a little bit. But I'm just using a variety of these and we are doing a shimmery lid here. Then I'm just darkening the outer area of the crease and we are blending and smoking out that eye as much as we possibly can. Now again guys, you can be as messy or as neat as you want with this. This is just the kind of style that I've went with. Just taking a black eyeliner pencil from Primark and I'm just putting that in my waterline and I'm applying some mascara. Then we're going in with these Pound lashes, and these are, I think they're PL27s or PL12, sorry. They're PL12s actually. I was using the PL27s the other day in the other look, but we're using the PL12s for this look. And the inner corner kept on like unsticking somehow. I don't know why, but I had to keep on going back and sticking that down. It was a bit of a pain. Then I'm just going in with a little bit of this concealer by AX1 and I'm putting this under the eyes. Now I didn't want to start smoking out the under eyes and all that until I had like a bit of a base on, so I'm just going in with a little bit of this concealer. Then I'm taking the NARS foundation in the shade Mont Blanc, and I'm just putting this all over the face. This is the lightest foundation I own at the moment, so we're just going in with this and blending it out. Now I'm just taking my Peaches and Cream white powder and I'm just setting that all in place with my little powder puff here. And I'm using quite a lot of this because I do want quite a white face. Then I'm just going back to the eyes and I'm just smoking out that under eye, and I'm going in with a little bit of dark purple. Then I'm lightening it out with a little bit of a light purple eyeshadow. Again, I'm still using that Pale Louise palette and I'm just using all the purple shades and we're just smoking that right out at the lower lash. Now again, as I keep on saying, you can make this as grungy, as like messy looking as you want. I'm now going to take the Carnival palette and I'm going to use a bunch of these kind of green and brown shades. They're very earthy tones, so I'm just going in with these and we're going to start doing like the face area where we're just going to do some of like the dark browns, the greens, just to kind of make it look quite dirty and quite mossy looking. And I'm just taking the Pale Louise brushes and we're just doing that. I'm also contouring down my nose. I'm using a little bit of brown, a little bit of purple, just a little mix of the colours to be fair. And we are going in with some stippling motions and we're stippling that all over the face. The greens, the browns, the kind of mossy earthy tones. We're going in with all of that to look quite dirty and quite like green. Now I'm just taking a little Pale Louise base. Now I can't remember the name of this, but it wasn't as green as I wanted it, so I went in on top of that with a light green eyeshadow, and I really wanted to try the Beetlejuice lips. If you know, you know guys. So we went over this with some green eyeshadow, then I just scrunched my lips up, I pouted really really hard, and I went in some black eyeshadow on top of that, and it gave you that kind of stripy kind of Beetlejuice lips. There's such a thing as called Beetlejuice lips, and this is the kind of vibe. So I've just went ahead and I've done that. And I'm just smudging that out, putting a little bit of green all around the lips just so it looks a little bit messy and it's not as neat looking. Again, just going back and forth with the nose, contouring it a little bit. Just going into that inner corner with a green mossy kind of shimmer, just to kind of highlight that inner corner. Then I was looking at the pictures that I was kind of referenced to, and I really wanted to do something with the snake. So I decided that I was just going to try and do like the snake around my neck area. You don't have to do this. I've just went a little bit overboard, but I just wanted to try and incorporate the snake into this look as well. So I've just like done it so that the snake's wrapped around the neck and it's kind of sticking out a little bit so you see it at the bottom. And I've just created this free-handedly. It's not the best work, but honestly, it's Halloween. It doesn't have to be super good, so I'm just going back and forth with some black face paint and some white face paint by Snazaroo, and we're just creating this kind of snake effect. I was going to do the black and white shirt, I was going to just draw it on me, but then I was like, no, I think we'll try and incorporate the snake into it. You don't see many of the looks with the snake, so yeah. Now I'm just going in and I'm adding the little jagged teeth, and I'm doing the other little creature that's inside of its mouth with the long tongue. But yeah, I had a lot of fun creating this. It was also a really greasy hair day, so this is why I kept this look till the day that my hair was super greasy, because I did want to go in with some green eyeshadow. I don't have any of the hairspray or anything left, so I just took some green eyeshadow, and that was it. That was how I created this. So I hope you guys love this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, guys, and I'll see you in tomorrow's look.